Oscar, I know the food wasn't quite your taste, but can you just stop messing with the goldfish?
Nah, I ain't gonna eat those stinky meat.
Well, I guess it's time for me to do something for this house. Ta-da! The Ubpet Smart Refrigerated Feeder with multi-freezing level adjustment. Smart refrigerator design. Let's feel the cool.
Oh, that's my favorite salmon.
Thanks to the smart timer design, no need to worry about feeding your cat.
Life never felt so good.
And of course, dog is also compatible for use. Delicious delight. Ubpet Smart Refrigerated Feeder.